Give this natural fertilizer directly to your seedlings in the soil, and the fruits won't rot. They'll stay large, firm, and healthy all season long. During cultivation, there is a crucial stage that determines whether the plant will produce healthy, firm fruit or develop problems. Experienced gardeners know how important calcium is for tomatoes, because a deficiency often leads to issues with the fruit, which is why it's so important to provide it in a form the plant can easily absorb. Eggshells are an excellent natural source of calcium that supports firm fruit and healthy plant development. Take a grinder, add the eggshells, and grind them into a fine powder. The next step is to prepare a larger container. Pour in about 2 ounces of water, add the eggshell powder, and then mix in 1 tablespoon of vinegar. The vinegar helps transform the eggshells into a form that is easier for the plant to absorb. Leave it for 2 days to create a calcium solution. Then pour in about 2 cups of warm water and add 1 tablespoon of nettle, which strengthens plants, improves their resistance, and stimulates growth. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic, which works as a natural plant protectant. Mix everything thoroughly, and then strain the solution. Prepare another container, pour in the mixture, and your powerful natural fertilizer is ready. Apply a small amount with a syringe directly into the soil. Regular use of this fertilizer will support healthy plant growth, and the fruits will become larger and firmer. This natural fertilizer not only improves the condition of the plants, but also makes them more resistant to harsh conditions. Just 1 quart of this mix, and your tomato plants will be loaded with fruit. Do it once, and your tomatoes will produce 5 times more. The fruits will be large, healthy, and sweet. The secret lies in simple homemade ingredients. Start by filling a large bucket with about 2.5 gallons of water. Rainwater works best. The first ingredient is something you use every day: milk. It's a true gem for plants. Milk contains calcium, which strengthens plants and supports root development. It also protects against fungal diseases, crucial for tomatoes. Add about 3/4 cup of milk to the water. Now, for something you probably drink at home, just 1 tea bag is enough. Add a small handful of chamomile tea to the mix. Chamomile acts as a natural antiseptic, boosting plant immunity and encouraging fruit growth. Stir everything well. Water your plants at the base with this solution. Use it every 2 weeks, and your tomatoes will reward you with an abundant harvest. The fruits will be bigger, juicier, and full of flavor. A simple method that works even better than store-bought chemicals. From this, you will make the strongest natural remedy for tomatoes. It will ensure your tomatoes are healthy and beautiful. Diseases will disappear immediately. If you want lush and juicy tomatoes, be sure to stay with me. We start by preparing our ingredients. Pour 100 milliliters of warm water and 100 milliliters of milk into a jug. Then add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of garlic. This combination will help fight fungi and pests. The next step is to add half a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of ground cloves and cinnamon. These spices have antibacterial properties and boost the plant's immunity. To make the mixture even more effective, add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Finally, add a pinch of dried nettle, which acts as a natural fertilizer. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly, then strain the mixture through a sieve to remove larger pieces. Dilute the ready liquid with water. Now you can regularly spray your tomatoes every 10 days to protect them from diseases and pests. Remember to do this early in the morning or late in the afternoon to avoid burning the leaves from the sun. Try this natural mixture and see how your tomatoes grow healthy and strong. Take an ordinary plastic bag to the garden and place it over your tomatoes. Tie the bag directly onto the tomato cluster. After a few days, you'll see a difference. If you grow tomatoes, this plastic bag trick can be easily used, and even twice, if you, like any gardener, dream of beautiful, healthy tomatoes. Prepare some regular plastic bags. Gently place a plastic bag over a selected cluster of tomatoes, being careful not to damage them. Tie the plastic bag around the tomato stem. Do this with several other tomato branches as well. Try this trick on a few branches. Leave the bags and watch what happens. The tomatoes inside the plastic bags will ripen faster. The bags accelerate the ripening process. Within a few days, the tomatoes will turn red. You'll be able to pick your tomatoes sooner than you think. You can also use this trick at the end of the season when tomatoes ripen more slowly due to the lack of warmth and sunlight. The plastic bags will help speed up their ripening. Thanks to bananas, my tomatoes ripen quickly and taste delicious. Just one banana is enough to enjoy beautiful tomatoes. This trick is surprisingly simple. Bananas contain many valuable nutrients and are used to make fertilizers and plant food for flowers and vegetables. But today, I'll show you another way to use bananas. Prepare a regular plastic bag. Place one banana inside the bag. Tie the bag directly onto a cluster of green tomatoes, being careful not to damage the tomatoes. After a few days, you'll see a difference. Tomatoes in plastic bags with bananas will ripen faster. Bananas release ethylene, which accelerates the ripening process of tomatoes. In just a few days, the tomatoes will start to turn red. Once this happens, they will ripen even faster. You can also use this trick at the end of the season when tomatoes ripen more slowly due to the lack of warmth and sunlight. The plastic bag with a banana will speed up their ripening. I've been doing this for 50 years, and every year I harvest huge amounts of tomatoes. If you want large, sweet, and healthy tomatoes, you can't miss this one fertilizer. Many people use expensive fertilizers, but the best solution is often hidden in simple, natural ingredients you already have at home. Start by preparing a tall container for mixing the ingredients. The first ingredient is milk, which is rich in potassium that supports plant growth and fruit production. Measure out 1 cup and pour it into the container. Next, take a cup and a bag of dried chamomile tea. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory properties, supports plant development, and helps protect against diseases. Place the tea bag into the cup and pour hot water over it. Stir and let the infusion cool down. Once cooled, remove the tea bag and pour the chamomile infusion into the container with the milk. Mix everything thoroughly. Now prepare a jar and pour the finished fertilizer into it. Store it in a dark place. When you want to use the fertilizer, measure out about 3 ounces of the mixture and pour it into a watering can. Then add about 6 cups of water to dilute it and water your plants. Regular use of this natural fertilizer will ensure healthy growth and abundant tomato harvests. Natural ingredients are the true power of gardening. You don't need to spend a fortune on expensive fertilizers to enjoy incredible harvests. Simple, homemade methods help your plants grow in perfect harmony with nature. Add a cup to water and pour it on your plants. Your tomatoes will keep producing until the first frost. Late summer is a crucial time for tomatoes. If you give them the right support, they'll reward you with beautiful, juicy fruits. At this stage, it's best to stop using nitrogen-rich fertilizers, which only encourage leafy growth. What the plants need now is something completely different. Into a large bucket with about 2.5 gallons of water, add 1 cup of wood ash. Ash is rich in potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium. It helps fruits ripen, strengthens the plants, and makes them more resistant. It also improves soil structure, making it easier for the roots to absorb nutrients. Regular use of ash reduces the risk of fungal diseases that often strike tomatoes late in the season. Mix everything well and water your plants. You'll quickly notice that the fruits are larger and the plants stronger. It's a simple, natural way to enjoy your harvest right up until the first frost. Use this natural fertilizer once every 10 days, and you'll see just how long and abundantly your tomatoes can produce.